everyone. In this video, we are discuss about how to create virtual environment. So let's start the video. To create a virtual environment, firstly I create a folder here, workplace. Here is a folder which I created here. So I am working on it. Firstly, to create a virtual environment, you want to go here in terminal, select here new terminal, type here python space -m space venv space and give here any name to the virtual environment. I am giving here the name is my env and hit enter, and you can saw here my env folder is created. And now to activate this virtual environment, you want to type name of the virtual environment my env backslash script. Here autocomplete is present, so you can type here tab key, it's complete automatically. Script, after that activate. Also you can press here tab to autocomplete and hit enter. Here virtual environment is now activated, so you can install any package in your virtual environment. Suppose for example I am installing here one package, pip install matplotlib, hit enter. So here package is installing, so you can install any package in your virtual environment. So thanks for watching video. Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.